Now your local weather authority forecast with meteorologist Nathan Kitchens.
Welcome back, everyone, on a cold, blustery Wednesday. It's a live look from our Stoller Precise camera in Pontiac. Skies are cloudy and we have a few flurries flying in the air. Those winds you will definitely notice today. Those winds gusting right now between about 30 and 40 miles per hour. It's a north to northwest wind, and that flow is helping to bring in those colder temperatures. Pretty big change from where we were yesterday. At this time, we were pushing close to 50. Well, right now, we've got 20s for most of the area, 25 in Bloomington, 25 Pontiac, 28 degrees in Peoria. But with the wind, it feels a lot colder. In fact, our wind chill is down to 8 right now in Pontiac. It feels like it's 9 in Peru, LaSalle. And for the rest of us, about mid-teens is what it feels like in Galesburg and Peoria. Radar picture still picking up a few flurries across central parts of Illinois. At this point, I don't expect any accumulation or roadway impacts, but you will see a few flurries still in the air at times. But these will gradually diminish and end as we go throughout your afternoon. But looking back this morning around 9:30 here around Bloomington Normal, we had a very heavy burst of snow. We call this a snow squall. And this was actually kind of rare situation where the National Weather Service issued a snow squall warning for much of McLean County, as that lowered the visibility down to almost nothing. But it only lasted just a few minutes when it moved through. For the rest of the day, though, we're fairly quiet. A few flurries diminishing out there with temperatures falling into the mid-20s. It will be a very cold evening. We're still factored in wind chills that will be down in the single digits after sundown. We'll have sunshine to start our day tomorrow, but with increasing clouds. A system will come our way tomorrow evening, bringing a burst of light snow. So around 6-7 p.m., we start to see a burst of snow move through the area. This model is likely a little too fast. I think it'll be closer to around 7-8 o'clock for most of us that we'll begin to see this chance of snow. It won't be a lot, but for a few hours we'll get steady snow and we'll get up to an inch of accumulation out of this. And then that will move out after midnight tomorrow night. So by Friday morning, we could still see a few slick roads, but certainly we won't have active snow falling at that time. As we go throughout your day Friday, the morning looks relatively dry. As we get later in the day with this upper level disturbance over the area, that will help to trigger some scattered areas of snow showers as we go throughout Friday afternoon. That will linger into Friday night as well. So we'll have scattered coatings of snow possible Friday night with those flurries still possible Saturday, but really don't expect much snow for the weekend. Here's that snow forecast for tomorrow evening. We could see a quick coating of snow up to an inch, maybe a touch more in our far northern locations. We'll keep you posted on that forecast as we look at that temperature trend through the weekend. It's going to get very chilly for us. After reaching 37 on Friday, which is a little bit warmer, we go down to 18 on Saturday with lows by Sunday morning at 8 degrees. It gets even colder to start next week with a high of only 15 on Monday. We'll be right back.